Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win at every claw machine. Claw machines are designed to be challenging, often having their grip strength programmed to be strong only about 1 in every 10 to 15 plays. This means the claw won't always grab with full power. Knowing this helps you approach the game strategically, focusing on observation and timing rather than just pure luck. We'll cover key insights to boost your success rate. Before you even insert a coin, take a moment to observe. Watch how other players interact with the machine. Notice if the claw consistently drops prizes or if it occasionally makes a strong grab. Look for prizes that are already close to the drop chute or appear to be precariously balanced. Also, machines with 3-pronged claws often provide a more stable grip than 2-pronged ones. When it's your turn, precision is paramount. Aim for the prize center of gravity to give the claw the best chance of a firm hold. Sometimes, instead of trying to lift a prize directly, it's more effective to nudge it towards the drop chute. Think about the drop zone and how the prize might naturally fall. A slight push can often be more successful than a full lift. Winning at claw machines isn't always immediate. It often requires patience and practice. Don't let a few losses deter you. Begin with machines that have simpler prize layouts or where prizes are already well positioned. As you gain experience, you'll develop a better feel for different claw strengths and movements. Remember, every play is a learning opportunity, improving your chances for future wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.